Little William the Conqueror versus Soldier. Little William's fearless, where Soldier just kind of has to warn him a couple times, but they've been going at it. They are rebel rousers. They roughhouse. Upstairs I can hear them. It's thunderous. They make a lot of noise. They're running and chasing each other all over, and they seem to enjoy it. Sometimes it's peaceful. Sometimes they get really mad at each other. Soldier's kind of getting pissed right now. I think he's going to show him who's boss. Aren't you, buddy? Oh, now what? Is this a break? You taking a break? Hey, buddy. What you thinking about, William? Little William. Attack, sneak attack. There it is. Now. Soldier and Little William. Little William's a natural born bull wrestler, I tell you. And they're off.